1, 2, 3, 4. This is how we do it, yo. I slime all over me because we just got back from doing the slime in public challenge.
And please check that video out. Mine's silver, and
we're gonna give you a little sneak peek. These are slimes.
so
We're not showing you much of it.
I'm putting mine up to the side.
Yeah.
Okay,
So the ingredients you're gonna need are.
Oh, we didn't tell them what we're doing.
Oh, we didn't tell you what we're doing. We're doing the guess what? Slime. We're doing slime wars.
Use the camera.
Oh, why were you in the camera?
Use the camera.
Oh yeah. That's my mom. You probably heard her from our other video. She was doing all our prepping for us and stuff.
And today we have a twist happening. One hand.
Well, we're gonna be doing one hand slime challenge. So guess what, you guys? We got to try Taylor and Vanessa. Go check out their channel if you haven't subscribed. Tell them we sent you over there. And so
One arm.
So we're doing the slime wars. We're doing one of the slime wars that we know of.
Put it on the table.
What?
Why?
Okay, so yeah, let's get on with the vid. Hold on, wait. I forgot to show you guys the ingredients. So the ingredients you're gonna need are, we have leftover glue from, what do you call it? The slimy thingy. We have a knife to scoop out some of a paint.
We got a bowl and we got
We got a fork
got shaving
to
cream.
mix. We got a knife to scoop out. We got these mini Lysol things.
we got shaving concept.
Shaving cream.
Also, it's the activator,
That will make your slime
the
plump.
borax one. So
Which we added a bit of baking soda because.
no, we didn't. Oh, it's in the borax.
So here's our bowls. We used these for last one. We try to rinse them out as best as we can. Yeah, hi.
Ignore.
Okay, so let's get on with the video, yo. This is, since this is one hand, we have to do it. Guess what, you guys? We have to do it with our left hand. So
I opened it.
So I'm just gonna open up hers because she opened. So we have to do this with our left hand, you guys, our one hand.
Nice. No, mine
Not.
I'm not gonna even put the top back on because. Oh no, this is gonna struggle, but we can use our arms. Too bad.
Okay, I'll be back.
I can't.
We'll be back when I wash this. We'll be back.
No.
We're using our left hand because that's the way they did it. Oh, so because mine is not even in the thing. Dun, 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 dun. Okay.
Really shavy.
Okay, I'm sorry, guys.
Oops, I used my other hand.
So, no, Rosie, don't do that. You never said you aren't allowed to use your arm, can you?
It's technically. Oh, it is. I'm cheating.
Oh, we're gonna get messy.
I was messing with the wrong hand.
Rosie, a cheater.
I keep forgetting.
Okay. I think it's distracted. Oh, okay, there's a bee near me.
I really want to make sure I take my time on this.
Should we do first one done wins?
No.
Okay.
Oh no, I keep trying to use my other hand.
Okay.
Now I'm going to add in our paint. Now we could use our other hand for it.
I'm gonna do a nice, maybe green color. So the reason why we have nice.
I meant some in. Oh, we forgot lotion.
That's okay. The reason why we have that's sunscreen. The reason why we have these little things is because the reason we have nice because those little things. This is gonna be hard. I can't squeeze anything out. That's why. I wanted it to be a nice lavender. Rosie's making a beige color. I'm more of like the, out of the two of us, when we make slime, she likes to do like, I don't know how to explain her. She's just unique. I'm doing apparently a dark green.
I'm apparently doing tan.
I wanted to do a nice lime green. But this is kind of like a limey color.
Do we have to do a twist? I just want to make regular slime. What about this twist is, who can make it the fastest
Okay,
with
fine.
both hands? But you have to make, it has to be pretty. I actually really like mixing them.
You guys can comment down below who won. Rosie.
Spice brown. No one ever makes brown slime, so I'm going to be the first.
Yeah, when they make chocolate slime.
No one's ever made chocolate slime. Bees, guys. Bees.
And we're gonna be showing you guys the consistency of like it like
I feel
so.
like I really need to add more shaving cream or more glue.
Why? It's not whoever makes the biggest.
I just had to. Maddie? Wow, Maddie's already added that. You know, I'm just gonna make normal slime, guys.
I wanna add water to this.
Go ahead, be my best, be my best. Put my service to the test.
I think she really likes Beauty and the Beast.
How much paint should I add in?
I don't know, but if that makes a weird color, they get a vote on it.
Too bad I'm not doing yellow now.
What?
I'm not doing yellow, but I gotta add it in. I told ya.
So is it the fastest and the nicest?
No, I think we should just make regular slime.
Oh. Okay, we're making regular slime apparently. Listen to the
Drums.
listen to the oldest here. The oldest here is technically actually Rosie, but 3 months.
Gold.
What?
I'm doing lots of browns.
Why am I touching this when it's not even ready? This is a really pretty color. We love making slimy, guys.
burgundy.
Oh, she loves burgundy. She likes like Rosie. She's in like. Apparently, she really likes reds and stuff.
No, I don't.
Well, you don't like it. It's just like you kind of like go with it. Oh, burgundy. I love burgundy. It looks nice during the fall. My favorite color to wear during the fall.
Ew, remember the slimy stuff when it comes to paint?
Oh. That's why I like the little tube thingies. Not the tube thingies, you guys. You guys, the little containers.
I should have probably not have made fluffy slime because I think we've always made fluffy.
Yeah. Cornstarch slime. Comment down below, I just thought of this, if you want us to do a volcano. I have a volcano set.
So do I, but it didn't come with instructions.
I know how to make a volcano. You just need. I know how to make a homemade one. Sorry, we talk a lot when we're bored. Well, not when we're bored, when we're crafting and stuff. We tend to talk and craft. I think this is going to be a nice stretchy slime. I'm going to start kneading it in because I want it to be super stretchy.
Okay.
I'm talking to Rosie and she's not even listening. I may add in a bit
Well,
of
I've been listening. I just don't want to talk.
I talk a lot.
She does. She can't get her.
She also talks a lot when you're in the car. I tend to just sit there and be quiet in the car, but
The bees, I think, like the slime.
probably they like anything fluffy.
They do?
They like nice smells. I think they might like the smell. So there's my
Come
brother.
on,
He's
leave
not
me
gonna,
alone.
he's not gonna be in the video. Okay, I'm telling Dad. So this is my slime. This is all I made, you guys.
No, it's not, guys. Don't.
Do you have any more glue?
Yeah. Do you?
Yeah.
I love my color.
Okay, Jonathan is actually going to come in the video. He's just going to say hi, and then he's going to leave.
I want mine to be perfect.
You're using up all the things.
So nice.
So, drum roll, please, Jonathan. Then, bye-bye. Come in, Jonathan. 5, 4. That's Jonathan. He's my brother. He's my older brother. Rosie has not even added any solution. Okay, that's it.
Sorry.
Nope.
Sorry.
Fine. So I think mine's about ready to touch. Oh, I learned this method. If you think your slime's ready to touch and you don't want to add in any activator, but then you're afraid it's gonna stick to your hand, actually just add like a drop on your hands and then rub it in your skin.
I think I had too much, but it's actually.
Oh. Mine won't even stir anymore.
Mine is still not super not ready.
Okay, Jonathan, would you like to say hi to the camera? If you... So, I'm just gonna. So this is Jonathan. He's 11 years old, and he Jonathan's 11 years old, and he really likes to play video games. And he's in swimming, I think. Yeah, in swimming. So, okay, I just need to talk to my brother for a second. What? Okay.
This did not work.
If you've been this last time, if you just been in this video, will you just leave us alone? Okay, say hi and then leave. So Rosie's going in. I don't think she should. I haven't even I barely gone in. So I'll be right back. Well, Rosie's gonna demonstrate how, like, you know.
My slime, guys, is terrible. Why did you just making sure Jonathan's okay?
Sorry, you guys. You know, sibling rivalry and stuff. Is this super fluffy? How fluffy is yours? Super.
Oh, too fluffy.
Oh, I love super fluffy slime.
It's not super fluffy. It's extra fluffy.
I think comment down below if we should make cornstarch slime. Comment down below instead of using cornstarch, we should maybe add. You just got slime on mine.
What?
You got slime on mine, Rosie. Now it's going to turn a weird color.
I didn't. That wasn't me.
It wasn't me. I never touched your slime. Okay, we're going to sit down. I'm going to put a little bit in my hand. Now I'm going to start touching. Ew. Why did I say ew? These are probably the biggest batch I probably made with just a little bit.
Too bad, guys. It's not jumbo. And I think I'm going to make a little slime.
Not when we're on camera, though.
No. But, guys, I think it's time to end the video.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to quickly show you our final results. So mine's a kind of line.
I don't want to put mine on the table, so here's mine.
Mine's like a nice bright.
Maddie has to go right in front of what I'm doing.
Just rude about it.
Hey, we did Christmas colors, though.
So I guess we'll let you go. So bye. I love you guys. Please comment down and subscribe for more videos.
Bye. Please get us to 10 million subscribers. That
Well,
is our goal.
Our goal to start off with is 100, but then our next goal is 250.
I'm making slime.
So it'll be really nice if we just get to 20, you guys. We'll love it to just be to 20. So, bye.